Sanibona bafethu uvane sport lo sonomhlanje ngizokhuluma igame ade kudlala khona Orlando Pirates versus iMamelodi Sundowns. Orlando Pirates bekuyiyona ke club le ade idlala home. Yabo ibihostile le game le ihostile le eFNB Stadium. Asibabonanga ke abalandeli abaningi bepitch up bezobuka igame but ke kungijabulisile ukubabona lawo balandeli ade bekhona egamini. 54,000 confirmed fans ade khona ezobukela le game le ade imnandi ngempela indlela eyisimanga njengoba nibona nje igame iphele ngo-2-1. Igame phela ngo-2-1 so ngizozama ukushaya i-review amshona nanibonile igame but ke ngizozama ukushaya i-review based on izinto ezenzeka yabo ngizonibukela la kuma stats niwabone nje nana ama stats la ngizonibuyisa ama stats nginikhombisa izinto ade zenzeka la yabo nginikhombisa ama stats ke bafethu igame phela ngo-2-1 for me ngokwami igame it was a game of two halves to be honest. This was a game of two halves. Idlalile Orlando Pirates first half. I don't know kwenzakaleni ngeMamelodi Sundowns but in the first 5 minutes of the game ilapho khona Orlando Pirates ekwazile ukupitalize iscore 2 goals. Fast pacey 2 goals. Lapho khona sibone uEvidence Makgopa ukwazile ukupenetrate leli side le menibukile ilineup prediction yami ngipredictile ukuthi Makgopa uzostarta le game and ukwistarta kwakhe Makgopa uzokwazi ukungena kuleli side la Suarez. Yabo leli swele la Suarez lona side ade livuza namhlanje beno Aubrey Modiba. Two of those guys went solid. Yabo those guys went solid. Angazi wenzakalani ngeSundowns maybe mhlawumbe bazozama ukubashintsha yabo because bakhona ama defenders abawathengile but kule la side leliyana bevuza impela. Going to this game ilineup Orlando Pirates, to be honest I wasn't too sure about lineup but I saw uJose Rivera indlela iapproach yakho le game lo uzodefenda impela. Yebo uzodefenda impela uzothola amagoli mase eyazama ukudefenda. Mesibheka nje emuva bekhona uXoki, uSibisi, uMbukasi. Mase kuthi abanye kube khona uVan Rooyen, mase kuba khona uDion Hotto. Yebo so nje already you see the pattern. It's already 5 players lapha. Yabo khona uSibisi at the center, mase kuba uXoki uyi-right center, mase kuba uXoki uyi-right center back, mase kuba uMbukazi uyi-left center back, mase si-attacker bayasala emuva baye bathathu. Yebo mase siza lapha esiswini kube uMbatha benoMakhehleni Makhawula. Attacking midfield yethu namhlanje bekuKabelo Dlamini ubengekho uTito Maswangayi, mase kuba Evidence Makgopa, mase kuba uMfukeng lo uthole ibrace namhlanje odlale kahle ngempela namhlanje. Yabo because abantu abaningi bahlezi bebuza kahle kwenzakalani ngomfukeng mekudlala neSundowns. Naku-ke useyishayile kenye ibrace benikhumbula kahle ku-final eNedbank walishaya futhi igoli lokuwinisa. Yabo kule game ke simbonile umjida udlalele kamnandi. Yabo ischeme sethu siqala I wasn't happy but ke I had to trust the coach. Yabo ngamthemba ucoach abajida bangidlalela. First half sidlale kamnandi lona la. First half sidlale kamnandi. uMbatha namhlanje he was very good. Hlezi ngikhuluma uMbatha, hlezi ngibatshela uMbatha ukudlala kaMbatha. Abantu abaningi bahlezi besho lokhu nalokhu but uMbatha namhlanje indlela adlala engakhona. Mina mfethu uMbatha ngiyamnikeza udanki. Yabo benoMakhehleni Makhawula namhlanje akekho alikho nje ibhola ngokwami ade lidlula kubona. Lonke ibhola ade lifika lapha bebekwazi ukudlala. Yebo eswini uMokwena benoAlend uAlend uyena umdlali bengimbona freedom nyana but naye besikwazi ukumvala. Yebo lapha eswini besivalile ngempela abajida bebedlala Mbekezeli Mbukazi. What a good game from the young boy. Yabo namhlanje angisambize ngeboy, he is now a man. After this game he is now a man. What a performance from the young man. Indlela adlala ngakhona namhlanje bafethu. Indlela adlala ngakhona ngishilo lento lo ngasi bafethu uMbukazi. Sasimdinga le game esidlala ePitoli. Sasimdinga le game esidlala ePitoli. Yabo sasimdinga ngempela ungidlalele kahle funa namhlanje uDlamini. Yabo angijwayele umncoma uDlamini but uDlamini first half ungidlalele kahle umjida first half. Ngisazoya second half. But first half umjida bekhona lo Mathasha ade washaya mfethu. Yabo Makgopa namanje ngisasho Makgopa kusonde striker lesesikorela amagoli. But mekumele kudlalwe ibhola, mekumele kushayela ama assist, kushayela ama run right. Yabo umdlalo omdingayo ke lo. Yabo Makgopa namhlanje ulenzile iqiniso. Van Rooyen, what a top performance from Van Rooyen futhi namhlanje. Thapelo Xoki sijwayele umgxeka but namhlanje ngimshayela izandla Thapelo Xoki ukwazile ukukhombisa ukuthi uyi-lead. namhlanje that was a leadership performance. Ubone first half indlela edlala yakhona, they made sure ukuthi uRibeiro akaphefumuli. Those three center backs right there, Sibisi, Mbokazi and Thapelo Xolo, they made sure that uRibeiro akaphefumuli. Yabo, yonke esiyidingayo besidlala neteam esazi kahle izosinika inkinga. Senze show lama key players abo siyawaqindezela angaphefumuli, angadlali. Yabo, performance ekanje iyona performance esiyidinga uma sodlala ku Champions League. Masodlala ku Champions League next game, our next game sodlala nale team le iMC Alger. Yabo, sodlala against the MC Alger. Mase siyalimela senze sure ukuthi siyawina ngempela. Yabo, going to isquad Orlando Mamelodi Sundowns. Mamelodi Sundowns baqinise ngempela. Baqinise ngempela indlela abadlala ngakhona. Yabo, ilineup yabo ubona ngempela ukuthi Sundowns ifuna ukuzosigqiba ngempela la. But into ade ngikhala ngayo iSundowns emuva iyashort. iSundowns emuva iyashort. Yabo nje uSuarez defender lisha balithenga umsangano odefender leli. Ngifuna nje ukusho kuseyimanje umsangano odefender leli. uSuarez namhlanje was very poor, also uModiba. Those two players were very poor today. Orlando Pirates ikwazile ukuoccupy le ndawo le. Yabo, ikwazile ukuoccupy le ndawo le Orlando Pirates because singene ngakhona. Mase sibheke nje ama statistics. Ama statistics la Minbag Orlando Pirates bisebenzisa le position le. Yabo, bisebenzisa le position because nimbonile uMakgopa namhlanje. He was going kule la side le la. Ubengena ngempela. Even naku second half uMakgopa bengena le. Yabo. So ngempela mele bashintshe ngale Sundowns, mele ishintshe ngempela. But ke size ngama shots asibana nama shots amaningi, sibana ama shots ayi9, Sundowns ebana ama shots ayi17. On target we had 6 shots, Sundowns ibene 1 shot on target. Yabo. So ama shots ngasho ukuthi on target sibena ama shots amaningi. Yabo, on target sibena ama shots amaningi, eboxini sibena ama shots ayi6, outside the box we had like 3 shots. Yabo, Sundowns ike yona idlalile ngempela. Yabo, badlalile iSundowns. It was a game of two halves. Mase siya second half indlela abadlala ngakhona iSundowns ikhombisile ngempela ukuthi ifuna ucapitalize ithole. Yabo, kuba 2-2 igame iphele ngo 2-2 at least because they got a goal. Yabo, they scored a goal and le goal labo angifuqama igoli labo betha angazi bekwenze njani. Yabo, on my side I thought that was a free kick. But ke abajida badlale fast ibhola, silibonile ibhola elihamba phezulu lishawu Ikram Renas. Yabo, lishawu Ikram Renas walishayela bani umda washaya igoli. Yabo, so sengikhohle ukukhuluma la about first half ngokwami. First half ngokwami siyahlule ukudefend ama set piece. Angazi noma mina yini uyibona lonto. But ama set piece abihlulo bethu kwa defend ama set piece. Like angazi kwenzakalani. Yabo, iyona into emele siyilungise le because mase ubheke iSundowns ibe namakhona mangaki. Iba namakhona awu7 and besingakazi sibe na icon. Ibe namakhona ayi7. Imagine Mamelodi Sundowns ibe namakhona awu7 but ke sikwazile ukwenza. Yabo, sizame even though bebeheda beshweba but sikwazile ukuthi sizame mhlawumbe bangakuri. Ibona mhlawumbe ibhadi belingakubona. Inkundla namhlanje ibishibilika. Yabo, ibishibilika. Ukhombisa yabo nje akhombisa iSundowns ibe namakhona awu7. Iyakhombisa iSundowns bisatheka ngempela. Thina ngeke phela thina singabi nayo ikhona. Yabo, ngeke kube singabi nayo ikhona but ke abajida badlalile mfethu ngokwami. Badlalile possession, iSundowns ibiphethe possession, siyakwazi lokho. iSundowns ihlezi iphethe possession. Yabo, so nje bafethu nina ngokweni igame ibinjani. Mina ngokwami Orlando Pirates ikwazile mfethu ukuthi idlale. Yabo, idlale nje neSundowns. Namhlanje besingekho la ngizothini ubokunami edlala neSundowns. Sijwayele ukudlala pound for pound but namhlanje bekuyi man to man marking. Akekho umdlalo obethithiza engenzi lutho. Dlamini ungidlalele kamnandi but second half maningi amathuba wamoshile umjida ngazi bekwenze njani but ke we move. Maningi amathuba wamoshile but we move. This is a W to us because more as ubheke kwi league right now Sundowns sidlala ama games awu 23, thina sidlala ama games awu 19 ina 58 points. As I said, thina sina 43 points. Yabo, we still have 4 games in hand. Mamelodi Sundowns meyasidlale igame ezolandela uSundowns ngeke ngazi ukuthi yipi game but I know bawudlala Champions League bawudlala against the AS Tunis. Yabo, bawudlala against the AS Tunis. thina siyodlala against iMC Alger yabo. So ngokwakho ni game phele kanjani? Ngokwakho ni game binjani njalo? But for me as an Orlando Pirates fan, I'm really happy about the score. I'm really happy indlela abadlala yakhona. Yabo siyimisele from the start of the game until the end, until the final whistle eshawe uref. Yabo ngangitshela wona ukuthi game iphathe kanjani, ungakhohlwa usubscribe uVane Sports lo. Yohlezi ngikhuluma ngegame. Yabo abafethu.